day, I go to orchestra. And I sit down in my chair. Keep in mind, I'm there 5 minutes early. I get there earlier than everybody else. And I sit down, and there's a sub. And she looks at me, and I look at her. And she looks at me, and she goes, "Do I know you from somewhere?" And I go, "Maybe?" And she goes, "I feel like I know you from somewhere. You're Ring Doorbell Girl."
Mom.
And then she goes, "I think every Friday we go and we show each other the best videos that we found this week on the big TV. And yours was one of them."
You were big TV content?
I was big TV.
Mom. Please let me in.
And she's like, "Yeah, I saw you on my Instagram reels." So I got recognized by a random substitute teacher I've never seen.